battle? Hit like and share now to catch the next epic clash of the king of animals.
The armored tank, the Rhinoceros. With a perfect defense score and unmatched strength, this beast is nearly impenetrable.
A symbol of enduring strength, the indomitable Water Buffalo. The rhinoceros brings raw power. The buffalo answers with wild fury.
Unstoppable Rhinoceros proves its might. A decisive victory over the Water Buffalo herd. Sheer power prevails.
The unstoppable rhinoceros proves its might. A decisive victory over the Water Buffalo. Sheer power prevails.
Victory goes to the mighty rhinoceros. Accurate strikes, devastating damage, and unbeatable defense. The rhinoceros climbed from rank 7 to 5, surpassing the mighty polar bear and the fearsome saltwater crocodile. After defeat, the water buffalo stays at rank 17, while the Komodo dragon and the lion move up, showing how competitive the path to King of Animals truly is. Enjoying the battle? Hit like and share now to catch the next epic clash of the King of Animals. Coming up next, the water buffalo squares off against the mighty European bison, while the unstoppable rhinoceros prepares